Lin and my fellow friends. Today my topic will be about water management in Singapore, which is Newater. Some of you may not know what is Newater. Newater is actually a reclaimed water that is produced by treating the wastewater. So water has become an issue of national security for almost every country in the world. Singapore population are estimated to consume 1.36 billion litres of water per day. So this is such a huge amount for a city-state like Singapore, and this has limited land area for water catchment. So in this presentation, I would like to give you an overview about the water supply in Singapore and the process of production of Newater and also its application. So before I proceed, I would like to talk about my credibility. So previously I have visited this Newater treatment plant which is located in Singapore, and it is not only a factory to produce the treated wastewater, it is also an educational hub to educate younger generation on sustainability of water resources. Secondly, as a student pursuing chemical engineering, so I feel like it is useful for us to adapting engineering technology in our future life, especially in sustainability development. There are 4 national taps in Singapore, which is water from local catchment, imported water, Newater, and desalinated water. One interesting fact about imported water is Singapore actually imported its water from a neighbouring state of Johor, Malaysia, when the long-term water agreement was signed back in 1961. So Singapore are able to transport water for a price of less than 1 cent per 1,000 gallons. So both parties has been negotiating about the possible extension of this agreement, but they are yet come to a mutual agreement, so that Singapore authorities has come out with several solutions to increase its water security. So the solution includes improve its management in water catchment, so promote the usage of treated water, which is Newater, and also increase its investment in desalinated water. So today I'm going to concentrate about Newater. Here is the process flowchart for the production of Newater. First, water will be collected at water reclamation plant. So when sufficient amount is collected, it will be passed through our Newater plant for further treatment. There are 3 main components in the treatment plant, which is microfiltration, reverse osmosis, and ultraviolet disinfection. So after water is treated through these 3 components, a new source of clean water, which is Newater, is produced. Firstly, water will pass through the microfiltration section, where the membrane will help to remove suspended solid, colloidal particles, disease-causing bacteria, viruses, and protozoan cysts. So after passing through the membrane, the water will contain very low level of dissolved salt and organic matters. After this, water will pass through the reverse osmosis section, where an applied pressure will be used to overcome the osmotic pressure, and water will be forced to pass through the semi-permeable membrane. So the semi-permeable membrane will help to filter out contaminants such as bacteria, viruses, heavy metals, nitrates, chlorides, sulfates, disinfection byproducts, aromatic hydrocarbon, and pesticides. So after this reverse osmosis process, the water will be free from viruses and bacteria and contain very low level of dissolved salts and organic matters. So water at this level is at potable level, where it can be safe to be used and consumed without causing any health issue. Finally, water will pass through the ultraviolet disinfection section, where a short wavelength of ultraviolet light will be used to kill microorganisms. So this ultraviolet disinfection ensures that all organisms are inactivated and the quality of water would be guaranteed. So after this, chemical will be added to balance the pH value of the water, and water is now ready to be used by the consumer. There are two main usage for Newater, which is non-potable use and indirect potable use. For non-potable use, it will be mainly used in industrial and air cooling purpose, in wafer fabrication plant, industrial estates, and commercial buildings. The main user will be in wafer fabrication plant, where a large amount of purified water is needed for the production of semiconductor circuits. So for indirect potable use, water Newater will be blended together with the raw water and it will be treated at the water works before it is transferred to the consumer as tap water. In conclusion, Newater plays a significant role in increasing water security in Singapore. We can see how serious Singapore authorities are in increasing its water self-sufficiency, whereas in Malaysia, the ineffective water management has led to several water crises. So, for example, water rationing issue that happened previously in Klang Valley. So, at the end of this presentation, I would like to create awareness and encourage water conservation among every one of you. So, I hope that every one of you will appreciate these natural resources that is that is given by our Mother Nature. Thank you. Okay, now I would like to open the floor for Q&A session. So, any question from you?
Yes. Newater safe to be drink directly?
Yes, Newater are absolutely safe to be drink directly, and it is chemically tested to fulfill the World Health Organization guidelines in terms of water drinking quality.
I have a question.
Yes.
How the cost of production of Newater differ from the conventional method?
The cost of production of Newater is higher as compared to the conventional method, as a large-scale engineering tools are required for the purification process, whereas for the pumping of water from river, as in the conventional method, the price will be much more lower. But one interesting fact about it is, the cost of production of Newater is fully covered by the Singapore government to promote the sustainable development in their country. So, thank you very much.